Hi folks, today we're going to make banana bread, and we're going to make it in a rice cooker. It's an idea that I saw on YouTube, and we have an oven, but we're going to try making it in a rice cooker just to see how it works. And we have bananas, and they're very small bananas. They're tasty, but they're small. They're sweet bananas, and so you can't go by, if it says use 3 bananas, you can't go by that. You have to go by another way of measuring it. And what we have here is 1.5 cups of mashed bananas, a little bit more, and in here we have 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And here's 1.5 cups of flour. Plus we got 2 beaten eggs in there. And here we have almost a half cup of white sugar. You can use any kind of sugar for this, and probably brown sugar or coconut palm sugar would be better than white sugar, but that's what we have, so we're going to use it. And here we have 1 stick of butter that's melted. I'm going to mix the wet ingredients together first, and then I'm going to mix the dry ingredients together. Then I'll mix the wet ingredients in with the dry ingredients. So I'll start with the bananas here. Just put the bananas in the bowl. Mashed bananas. And mix in the eggs. And then in goes the butter. So just mix all that stuff together. Now, one exception with the dry ingredients is I'm going to mix the sugar in here with this butter and egg and banana mix. So I'll mix the sugar in there with that. So next we're going to do the dry ingredients. So here's our 1.5 cups of flour. And here we have the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. So we'll mix all that together. Now, we'll mix the liquid ingredients in with the dry. Mix it together. And this is a pretty liquid batter. pretty liquid. And basically, you just want to mix this until it's combined. And now it goes into the rice cooker pot. So just dump it in there. Randy, can you scrape that in there? So here we have it in the rice cooker. Now this is a very basic rice cooker. Basically, it's got cook and warm. That's all it has. There are some rice cookers that have a lot more settings, but this is a very basic one. And what I've been told, or what I've learned by watching videos, is that it'll take 2 or maybe even 3 cycles before the banana bread is cooked. So we're going to get started cooking it right now. This isn't working for us. I'm not sure how this rice cooker operates, but we press it down to cook, and then probably no more than 3 minutes later it pops to a warm. So I'm going to have to finish this in the conventional oven. So this rice cooker technique is a fail for us because of our rice cooker. Anyway, even though we had to finish it in the oven, we did get some banana bread, so now we're gonna cut it and taste it. So we'll see how it is. So Janine is going to taste it. Is it good?
Yeah.
So are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we got our banana bread. So thanks for watching.